So right out of the box, you get thank you for your order. You get a keychain. I love that this is small business and that they've gone the extra mile to basically put everything in here. You've got a QR code that you can reach out to, leave a review. I love this, right? You are capable. Keep going. Love it. So then you're going to have a instruction guide. Pretty easy, pretty simple. You can kind of walk through this. I will point out some other things later, how you can connect to the app through Bluetooth. This does work on iOS, and I want to make sure I tell you the right version. So it is iOS 9 and then Android 4.5.